Welcome to Goalie's PIP Academy. What if everyone in the world jumped at the same time? Get ready to dive into some incredible physics fun. Imagine this: every single person on Earth decides to jump up at the same exact moment. Can you picture the synchronized leap of billions of people soaring into the sky? But what would happen when everyone lands? Would the ground shake? Would something crazy happen to our planet? Let's jump right into the science behind this epic scenario. First, let's talk about mass and force. The Earth is huge. It has a mass of about 5.97 times 10 to the 24th kilograms. That's a number so big it's hard to even imagine. When billions of people jump together, the combined force is still minuscule compared to the Earth's massive size. So while it might feel like a big deal locally, globally, the Earth barely notices. It's like a tiny pebble hitting a giant boulder. But wait, there's more. When everyone jumps, the collective force does create a small ripple in the Earth. This ripple is called a seismic wave, similar to the ones caused by earthquakes. However, because the force from billions of people is so small compared to natural seismic events, the ripple is incredibly tiny. It's like a whisper compared to a roar. Here comes our first quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge? Awesome. True or false? The ripple created when everyone jumps at the same time is called a seismic wave. Think you know the answer?
Is your little one working on finding their first words? You're not alone in this journey. At Goalie, we've developed a speech and language system to support early language learners. Our goal is to help kids learn their first 50 words. Here's what makes Goalie special. First is we have interactive apps designed by expert speech therapists. We make ad-free content like this to support learning. And lastly, our app for parents lets you track your child's progress. Every child develops at their own pace, and at Goalie, we're here to provide that extra boost. Our system has already helped thousands of families across America support their kids' communication needs. Visit getgoalie.com and use code YouTube10 for 10% off your first purchase. Again, that's getgoalie.com to give your learner a boost in speech.
If you said true, then well done. That's right. The ripple is called a seismic wave, just like those caused by earthquakes. Here's a surprising element. The energy generated by everyone jumping simultaneously would be enough to power a small town for a very short time. But don't worry, because the energy is spread out across the entire planet, making its impact on the Earth's movement completely insignificant. It's like trying to power a city with a single flashlight. Another fascinating fact: the concept of synchronized jumping has even inspired some fun challenges and events. While we won't be moving the Earth, it's a great way to bring people together and have fun while learning about physics. Now let's sprinkle in some more surprising elements. Did you know that even though the global jump wouldn't move the Earth, it could still have some fun local effects? For example, if millions of people jumped in one city, you might feel a very slight vibration. It's similar to how a large crowd at a concert can create a bit of a shake. But remember, on a global scale, it's like a drop in the ocean. Here comes our second quiz. Ready for another fun question? Let's go. Multiple choice time. What local effect could happen if millions of people jumped in one city at the same time? A. Move the Earth. B. Very slight vibration. C. Generate power. D. Massive tsunami. Take a moment to think. If you chose B, very slight vibration, then fantastic. That's absolutely correct. When millions of people jump in one city at the same time, it can create a very slight vibration. But wait, there's more. The idea of everyone jumping at the same time helps scientists understand how forces interact on a planetary scale. It's a simple yet powerful way to visualize and comprehend complex physics concepts. Let's recap some of the awesome things we've learned today. When everyone jumps at the same time, the combined force creates a seismic wave, but the Earth's massive size makes the impact negligible. And while the global jump wouldn't move the Earth, it's still a fantastic way to learn about physics and have fun with friends. Before we wrap up, here's a fun fact. The idea of synchronized jumping has even been used in science fiction and movies to illustrate the power of collective human action. It shows how creativity and imagination can inspire real scientific curiosity and learning. So next time you watch a movie or read a book, think about how these fun ideas help us explore and understand the world around us. Remember, the universe is full of amazing questions waiting to be answered, and you can be the next great scientist. So keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop exploring. Thanks for joining us on this explosive physics adventure. If you loved learning about what happens when everyone jumps together, make sure to subscribe to our channel and be sure to check out our other playlists. Until next time, stay energetic, stay curious, and keep exploring. Bye.
Is your little one working on finding their words? You're not alone in this journey. At Goalie, we've developed a speech and language system to support early learners. Our goal? To help kids learn their first 50 words. Here's what makes Goalie special. Interactive apps designed by expert speech therapists. We make ad-free content, like this one, to support learning. Our app for parents lets you track your child's progress. Every child develops at their own pace, and Goalie is here to provide that extra boost. Our system has already helped thousands of families across America support their children's communication skills. Visit getgoalie.com today and use code YouTube10 for 10% off your first purchase. Again, that's getgoalie.com to give your learner a boost in speech.